You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary in English, stay tuned. Phenomenology, the study of an individual's lived experience of the world. How to pronounce phenomenology. The stress is on the fourth syllable, the second no syllable. Phenomenology. How to pronounce English pronunciation. Phenomenology. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.